now that you've seen me cooking that recipe, the chicken, basil and roasted pepper spaghetti, and I've made a couple of tweaks. So now I want to save these tweaks to be able to recreate that dish again next time I'm going to make it or someone else in the family is going to make it. So what I'm doing is I just copy that link to that recipe from here and go here into my recipes and say created recipes, and finding that plus button here on the bottom, and I'm going to import the recipe, that URL that I've just saved. So I need to delete this bit here. So that's a valid URL. You are right, cookidoo. I was trying to do something wrong. So now I can edit this recipe, and I leave, or I can say here, for example, calling it, come on. Nah. Sometimes, okay, here we go. Jenny's way. And confirm. And so, for example, I always have a box full of grated parmesan, so I could skip this step and just leave that. I was sort of happy with the ingredients, so having a look here, I have used instead of the peppers, I have used, so let's go to edit the ingredients here. I have used, not deleting, 350 grams or whatever was left in that glass. Let's say 300 grams, or let's make it 350 of sun-dried tomatoes. Drained. All right. So ticking this, I had 150, that's okay. The chicken breast, I had a bit less, but that's okay. The double cream, definitely. Instead of the chicken stock cube, I have used vegetable stock paste. So one, right, veggie stock paste, the sea salt, the pepper, the spaghetti, and the roasted pine nuts. That was everything was okay. So now coming into the preparation steps. So let's see, I can leave the parmesan in. I had the garlic, chilies, onions, that all was in there. So here were the peppers and the basil. We've used all of that. And also putting in the spaghetti. So I have extended that for a minute, just like they said. But I have here, maybe that's the reason. So here I need to add in, what was it? It was a good handful of baby spinach to stir through. All right. And so here, this step, so transfer into a large serving bowl. I want to add here, okay, actually I want to add here another step. So going back to step 5 and adding here step 6. So place handful of baby spinach into thermoserver. Okay, and then transfer into the serving bowl, and so I'm going to delete that step here, the peppers, but no, doesn't let me do it. So, and weigh in, so the 10 grams of the basil, all of that, and that looks good. Susan to taste, and the remaining parmesan there on top. So now I confirm, and yeah, that's basically it. So now I can say done. That is now here chicken basil and roasted red pepper spaghetti without red peppers but with tomato, made Shani's way.